Let's see the concept of pinhole camera. A pinhole camera is a simple camera having a pinhole as an aperture or nothing but lens, allows the light to pass through and forms an inverted image on the screen opposite to the pinhole or opposite to it. Now let's see what is pinhole camera. It is a basic camera, a simple camera that is having a lens which is formed with a pinhole, a hole that is made with a pin of this like that magnitude. This will act as a lens, will have a screen here. So when you are seeing objects from here, place your eye over here. If you are seeing an object that is placed here, the light from the object will enter through the hole and will form an image on the screen. So the three basic uh, needs or the basic things for a pinhole camera are object, a pinhole camera that is made with a light proof cardboard box having a screen which is exactly opposite to the hole. It has to be exactly opposite, not anywhere else. Now let's see how it forms. So here in a pinhole camera, I have formed a pinhole camera with a light proof cardboard box having a pinhole and on a screen. And this screen I have cut a square size and I've placed or attached a trace paper on that, you know, which will be acting as my screen. Now when I see an object from here, see, we have already know that concept of reflection, right? So every object which is under the rays of sun will be reflecting the light that is falling on. So this object will, let's take this tree, will also reflect the light that is falling on it. But reflection is happening like scattering. So all the light that falls on it will get scattered in different directions. Since it is a pinhole, only a few rays will be able to pass through it and form a screen here. So the top will get scattered, but only few rays from the top will be able to pass through this hole and will have its image on here. And like this, each and every part will have the light that is falling on it gets reflected, passing through this small hole and will be forming a image onto this. Like this bottom will also pass through this and form a screen at the top, image at the top. So which means if I'm having a tree that looks like this, but the image on the screen will be looking inverted. So this is my inverted image that is formed due to pinhole camera. So why it is forming inverted image now? As I've already told, light can't bend its path. It always travels in a straight line. Since all the rays that are getting reflected by the tree can't bend due to rectilinear propagation passes through it and will form a inverted image over here. So this is very basics of photography. What are the applications now? Applications of pinhole camera. The first thing is it is used to learn the basics of photography. The people who are interested to learn photography, they must study what is a pinhole camera. But for them, instead of placing a trace paper, like since we are studying with the basics, we'll place here a trace paper. But for studying photography, they'll always place here a photographic film. The film will trap all the rays that falls on it. When we develop the film, it will give you the picture. And second thing used in solargraphy. In solargraphy, na, that is used to observe the moments, observe the movement of the sun during solar eclipse and all, how the formation will be happening and all that will be studied with pinhole camera. And next thing, it forms, this is not application, this forms an inverted image. Only the inverted, not laterally inverted and all. Then what is the purpose of taking pinhole means? In order to have a clear image, a sharp image will have a hole which is made of a pin. But when you increase the size of this hole, it will form a blurred image. The image will not be clear. So that is the reason why we'll always prefer the hole in a hole as a size of a pin. So this is all about a pinhole camera.